Welcome you all to another important topic, numbers, sequence and series. Here we are going to try to find out the pattern that is present in each and every sequence. Thereby we will be able to find the value of the missing sequence or the sum of the given sequence or the value of any of the missing term. Okay. So for that we have to understand what is the pattern in the sequence. Okay, now we'll see the first example, 5, 20, 35, 50. So it is an increasing order in the sequence. So any increase in order, increase in value of any of the sequence indicates that there is a difference of addition of numbers or multiplication of numbers between this given sequence. Okay, so for example 5 and 20, there's a difference of plus 15 between the first and the second term, right? So 12, 20 and 35 also has a difference of plus 15. 35 and 50 also is having a difference of plus 15. That means this sequence is going to increase by the value of 15 between the terms. So the next value after 50, it is going to be 50 plus 15, that is 65. Okay, now let's see the next problem, 10, 13, 16, 19, again increasing value of plus 3 between the terms. So 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, 16 plus 3 is 19, 19 plus 3 is 22. Okay, so we may also find the value of a beginning term in of the given sequence based on the pattern of the rest of the numbers. So 10, 12, 14, 16, obviously it is all even numbers which increases by value of 2. So 8 plus 2 makes 10, right? So 8 is the answer for this sequence. Okay, 25, 33, 49, 57. So 25 and 33 I found a value of plus 8. 49 and 57 also I find the difference of plus 8. So I think it is plus 8 is the difference between each of the term. So that means 33 plus 8 is going to be 41 and 41 plus 8 is going to be 49. So it is equating the pattern. So the answer is 41. Okay, 6, 12, 24, 48. I'm seeing the doubling, right? So this is going to be a multiplication is the difference. So I think 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 24 times 4 is 48. Yes, so 48 times 2 is going to be 96 is the answer of the next term of the sequence. Okay, 4, 20, 100 and 500. This is not doubling, this is more than that. So let me find the, okay, 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 5 is 100, 100 times 5 is 500. So the pattern is set. So 500 times 5 is 2500 is the fifth term of this sequence. Okay, here we have to find the first time. Okay, first let us find the what is the difference. So 14, 28, oh it's again a doubling I think. 14 times 2 is 28, 28 times 2 is 56, right? So the first term is 7, right? 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, so next is 3, 9, 27 to 43. So this again should be a multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9, right? So 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 71. Sorry, 81. 81 times 3 is 243. So the answer is 81. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 8. So the differences are closer by, so I suggest the difference should be an additional factor. Okay, So 2 plus 3 is, let me write it here, 2 plus 3, 1 is 3, but 3 plus 1 is not 5, it is 3 plus 2, let me write it out. 5 plus 2 also is not there, so 5 plus 3 is there. See, I'm seeing a different pattern here. The difference is not the same. The difference is an increasing order, 1, 2 and 3. So the next difference has to be plus 4, so the answer is going to be 12. Okay, so the difference can be different between the terms of a sequence, but there is a pattern in it, so we have to understand the pattern to find the answer for the nth term. Okay, 41, 43, 47, 53. So +41 to 43 is +2, 43 to 47 is +4. I'm expecting +6. Yes, it is +6. So the next term we have to find is going to be +8. So 53 plus 8 is 61. Okay, so 15, 25, 33, 43, 51. Okay, so 15 to 25 is +10. 25 to 33 is, okay, +8. So it's going to be +6. Oh no. Oh, it is +10. That's interesting. Okay, 43 to 51 is, oh, again +8. So there is a pattern now here. It is going to be +8, +10, +8, +10, +8. So next is going to be +10. So it is going to be 61. Wow, it's interesting, right? So the difference can be an increasing order, decreasing order, zigzag pattern also. Okay, now it is 3, 6, 18, 32. It is in the multiplication format. So 3 times 2 is 6. It is not, oh, 6 times 3 and 18 times 4. So we have to find 72 times 5. That is 360. What a number. Okay, now it is 4, 8, 96 and 480. So the relationship between 4 and 80 is, okay, we will write this. 4 and 80 is times 2. 96 and 480, since there is a 0, I suspect it is times 5. Let me check. 6 times 5, 33. 9 times 5, 45. Yes, 480 times 5. So that means I'm missing a number here, right? So it is times 3 here and times 4 here. Let us check. 8 times 3 is 24 and 24 times 4 is 96. So it's sitting with the pattern of 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So the answer is 24. Okay, so hereby we have seen all the number sequences which are increasing in order. Now we are going to see some sequences which are decreasing order, that is the 20, 13, 14, 15. The values are decreasing. Okay, so here also we have to find the difference, but the difference is not because of an addition of a number or multiplication of number. It will be what? Yes, it may be of a subtraction of the number or a division of any numbers. The previous number is going to give the value of the second term, right? Let's check. 20, what minus 20 will give 17? 3, right? So minus 3. So 20 minus 3 is 17. 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 minus 3 is 11, right? It's a set of pattern with the difference of minus 3. So we have to find 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay, 23 minus what is 18? 5 minus 5. Let's check. 23 minus 5 is 18. 18 minus 5 is 13. 13 minus 8, minus 5 is 8, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, so it's easily set. 43, 37, 27, 19. Sorry, 49. 49, 37, 27, 19. So 49 to 37 is 12, negative 12, and 37 minus 10 is 27. So I'm expecting an 8. Yes, right. So the next has to be negative 6. The answer is going to be 13. Okay, so 51, 49, 48, 46, 45 is also because of subtraction only. But 51 minus 49 is 2, right? Yes. 49 to 48 is minus 1. 48 to 46 is minus 2. So there's a pattern set. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. So next has to be a minus 2, that is 43. Okay, so 360, 180, 90. The difference is bigger, and we are obviously able to see it is doubling, right? 90 doubles 180, it doubles 360. So it is divided by 2. So 90 divided by 2 is going to be 45. So it may be either because of subtraction or division of numbers. The differences will give rise to a sequences like this with decreasing order. Okay, so 729 to 43, 81, and 27. So the differences are very much, so it should be because of division, but it is not of 2 because all the odd numbers at the end. Maybe because of 3, we will just find 9 plus 2. This number is divisible by 3. Yes, 243 is divisible by 3. 81 is divisible by 3. So we'll just try out whether it is getting divided by 3. Yes, 79, 29 divided by 3 is 243. And 243 divided by 3 is 81. 81 divided by 3 is 27, and 27 divided by 3 is 9 is the answer. Okay, so next problem is we have to find a number which is in the middle. Okay, so here we have to find a number. 10 and 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5, right? And 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 1 divided by 2 is 0.5, right? So we have set up point divided by 2 divided by 5 divided by 2. So the number before has to be a division of 5. Number after this has to be a division of 2. This I'm just imagining, okay? This may be the pattern. Divided by 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. So there is a pattern set, okay? But now we have to check whether we are getting the answers properly to go with the pattern. So 100 divided by 2 is 50, and 50 divided by 5 is 10. So since it is going to go adhere with the pattern, so the pattern what I have guessed is correct, and then we have to find the answer. Okay, so with this we will stop the patterns finding methodology. Okay, in an increasing sequence and a decreasing sequence, either by addition or multiplication in case of an increasing sequence, subtraction or division in case of decreasing sequence. There are many patterns apart from this, those which we will be discussing in the next video. So please like it, comment it if you really like this and understand the problems that I'm explaining in this video, and share and subscribe the channel as much as you can.